Is Asian hospitality better than Western hospitality? It's a tough question to answer, but I think we have some advantages. Our culture, our people seem to be more humble, being friendly and warm, but it doesn't mean that we offer the best service. When it comes down to service, I believe that it comes down to training. And recently I was in Paris and I was at Stuart, and I know people say, well, you can't compare Stuart service to any service in Asia or anywhere else because it's the best. I was thinking, if Stuart can offer that kind of service, that means you can train your staff to provide that sort of service in your hotel as well. I also was at last gala at Physical Thai 2 months ago, and I was sick. I was sick. One of the waiters noticed that I was sick. He came out of nowhere and offered tea. He said, would you like, I think that you were not very well, would you like some ginger tea? And he went and made a ginger tea for me. So you don't really, things like this can be trained. I was doing butler training earlier last year, and people was like, oh, so now you know how to make bed and keep shining and pack and all that. Yes, they taught you that, but they taught you more than that. They taught you to be articulate. They taught you to be able to anticipate the guest's needs. And I think that also, is something that we can train our staff no matter where you are in the world. Yes, we have advantages being humble and we don't like to confront our guests or our people when dispute occur, so we kind of smile all the time, but is that a good service when you just smile and then get away with most things? I don't think so, but we can get back to that later. But yes, training is very important, and I don't think Asian hospitality is anything different than a good hospitality when it comes down to service. So there is this book that I've recently read, and there's one chapter that talks about make servants of those you serve. So don't think of yourself as a servant or a service provider, because at the end of the day, guests like us go to your hotel, give you money. You are actually the master. The hotel is the master, and then you have every chance, every power to make us come back to you. Make servants of those you serve. I'm Wimintra. Thank you for watching.